Guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a foundation review that's from Bobbi Brown Weightless Foundation. So this is the foundation I have ordered from Macy's. I already threw the outside package, so this is the packaging, the inside. So this is the foundation. It has like a very good review on everywhere. You have seen like Bobbi Brown Weightless Foundation, like it has very good review. I have already used the Bobbi Brown foundation, but that's the regular one, the Bobbi Brown Longwear Even Finish foundation. It's like similar, but this one is the weightless foundation. I think this is a full coverage foundation, and it has like SPF 15. The Longwear foundation, and this is the new one, which is like weightless foundation, which it has also similar with SPF 15, but I think this one is $47 and this one is I think $50. This is $3 more. I don't know why, but this one is like a very good foundation. I have used like probably so many times, and it's like a very good finish and very good foundation. So let's see how this foundation looks and how it covers all over my face. I will use it only with a moisturizer. I will not apply any concealer or any kind of primer or any setting powder, so that you can see the exact coverage of this foundation. And this is also in the natural light, so you can get a perfect idea how exactly this foundation color and how it looks. So you can see this is day, and this is my window, so it's like a natural light. I don't have any artificial light, so you can see the exact color of this foundation. So let's start. So I am in the shade warm beige, you can see 3.5. so let's open it and see. And it is like very good review, that's why I have ordered it. And this is I think a little bit longer than this one. This is the Longwear Even Finish foundation, and this one is also 130 ml, and this is also 30 ml. Both are similar quantity, but this one is like a little bit taller than this one, but everything is similar. It has like pump and it has also pump, so everything is almost same. So let's see how this foundation looks. So let me clean my face with this toner. So this one is Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Toner. I'm using this one just to clean my face. So now I'm not applying any concealer or any primer. I will apply the foundation directly over my face, over the moisturizer. So let's start. So you can see I have some like scars here and here. So we'll see how it covers. I definitely not like glass clear skin. I'm not blessed with a very good perfect skin. So let's use this moisturizer. So I'm using this cleaning moisturizer as a moisturizer, but I will not apply any primer. So this has like very good coverage. So let's see the weightless foundation. So it's in the shade warm beige 3.5. But it has some fragrance, like the other foundation also has some fragrance, which it's okay, but I don't like fragrance. So I'm using this beauty blender. Let's see how it works. The foundation coverage with one coat, you can see with one coat. So this foundation is incredibly smooth and blendable, and it just glides over the skin and gives you a very multidimensional matte finish. And also it's like very balanced and expertise with the skin's top tone, and these undertones deliver a very natural looking shade. And also it's created with high speed cold fusion process. That's why it gives you a very ultra silky emulsion features, which is like perfectly balanced and blend of like skin loving ingredients. You can see the coverage after like second coat. So this is after the second coat. I think you can still see the marks. So this foundation built with non-acnogenic and formula with marine sugarcane and natural mineral powders, which helps control excess oil and shine. So this foundation is paraben free, sulfate free, sulfite free, vegan friendly, gluten free and non-acnogenic. So this foundation gives you a flexible coverage which never crease, and also it stays very true to its color. Like the colors definitely don't change that much. Like most of the foundation changes after some time, like oxidize or something like that, and changes the color, but it stays almost like the same color. So guys, it is after like third coat. You can see the finish looks nice, but it's not I believe like the full coverage foundation, because I have used this foundation like so many times, the long wear even finish foundation. This has like the full coverage, so you won't get any spot or anything, but this one is like medium coverage. Like still you can see the scars, still you can see some scars. Mix two foundation most of the time, but this one I think is almost matches with my skin tone. I don't have to mix like two foundation, otherwise I always have to mix two foundations. So you can see, yeah, it's good. So let me finish the full makeup and I will show you how exactly it looks, but I will not apply any concealer or any setting powder. Just I will apply some I'll do some eye makeup and some lipstick, so we'll see how it looks. So guys, I just finished my makeup. You can see, but you can see I have not applied any concealer or any primer or anything. It's just the foundation and all this makeup, like the eyeshadow and this cheek palette. It doesn't give you like a spotless finish. Still you can see it's the spots are a little bit visible. You can see, yeah, this is the coverage. It doesn't give you like a completely spotless look. Like still you can see the scars and everything like little bit visible. That's good. That gives you like a really natural finish. I really like that kind of like finishes. I don't like completely finishes which like completely cover all my face. So I think it's like a medium coverage foundation, like the Bobbi Brown long weightless foundation. But if you're looking for like a completely full coverage foundation, I would suggest you go for this long even finish foundation, this one. Like, but the taller one is like the weightless foundation, and this one is long wear even foundation. So if you're looking like really like full coverage foundation, then you can go for this one. This is like really full coverage foundation, and this is not like full coverage, but it pretty much cover all your scars and everything, but still you can see a little bit visible. Like you cannot get a completely spot free look, so you can see a little bit of like marks and everything. Now the sun turned like it's like a really cloud outside. That's why probably it looks a little bit different from that time. When I started my makeup, it was like very sunny at that time, but now it's completely dark outside. But little bit the light changes a little bit. Now it's again the sun, little sunny. So you can see like it's good. The foundation, I really like the finishes and everything looks good. I'll show you after like 7-8 hours when the like in the evening time when how it looks, because I have tried this foundation like so many times, it stays like really almost 8-9 hours and looks perfect all day, I can say. Because it's like a full coverage foundation and all day it looks like stay perfectly fine. But this one for the first time I'm using, so I'll show you how it looks. But I think this is a perfect one for like a regular use, like everyday use. I think this one is a perfect one because it's not a full coverage foundation, but it gives you almost like that kind of coverage that will cover all your scars and pores and everything, and gives you a like nice finish and nice glow. Guys, this is like really outside and the sun is like really, it has like a very great natural light here, so you guys can see how this foundation looks. Yeah, so it's like almost like 2 hours from my makeup. Like this is like completely natural, like literally outside. So I came outside so that you guys can see the exactly how this foundation looks on the daytime. So guys, you can see I'm really outside and you can see the foundation, how it looks, the coverage. It's like really sunny, bright sun outside, but I came here so that you can exactly see how it looks, and it has like SPF 15, so it's okay. I have not applied any sunscreen or any primer or anything. It's just like the foundation and no concealer at all. So this is how this foundation looks. That like the sun is like off and down, like sometimes it's like very sunny and sometimes it's like cloudy. If you are looking like really the full coverage foundation, I would suggest go for the even finish foundation. But if you are looking like medium coverage and regular everyday use foundation, then this one is like a good one. Definitely this one is a good one. I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.